Karen, welcome to Stitchin Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. By now you've received your first package, or you will be receiving it shortly, for the Starry Night. It's a 12-month Block of the Month, and you will be billed on the 10th of every month. This quilt finishes at 75 by 79. In the month 1 package, you will receive your welcome letter. In the welcome letter, there's some important information, including your fabric keys, where you can subscribe to our newsletter, update your billing and address if you need to, because you want to make sure to keep that current. And we have a large Facebook group. We have a very active Facebook group. And in our Facebook group, you will see tips and tricks, pictures of people's progress along the way. We're there to support you. So if you get stuck and have a question, post the question and we'll be sure to bill you out. Now, in this month package, this is going to be the beautiful dress that you get to make, her shawl and her hair. And right here, we have this beautiful pattern from So Kind of Wonderful. You are going to have an amazing time designing this quilt and putting this quilt together. It can either be something that you leave on your couch every day, or you can, it's something special you bring out for the holidays. Bye-bye.